In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy Coca-Cola shares inside of Interactive Brokers. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Interactive Brokers like you usually would. Then from here, it should bring stuff like this once you get inside of the dashboard. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to go up to the search bar, and then from here you'll click on KO, as in Coca-Cola, which is the symbol for Coca-Cola. Then from here, it should bring something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the right-hand side where you'll see Coca-Cola KO, and then the price of the share. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to click buy order, but then from here you can choose the quantity that you want to purchase. So for this tutorial, I'm just gonna choose, let's say I want to purchase 1. Then from here, I can choose either limit, a market order, or a stop order. You can also choose by going over to this drop down menu and go over and choose one of these over here. Once from here, you can attach order if you want to do that, but from here, you'll just need to click submit by order. Then from here, it should bring something like this where you can see the order confirmation. And from here, you'll just need to click transmit. And then you can see here, the order has been filled and submitted down here. From here, you'll need to go over to the portfolio to show that you have actually purchased the Coca-Cola share. And as you can see, it is right here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!